Well, coming up on June 24th, the Club for Creative Expression is going to be having their Dancing with Our Stars presentation in association with Lawn Dance. I'd like to welcome, of course, Renee. You know, Renee Devereaux and her guest, Megan McNash. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
So I know you've done this in the past,
Yes.
but give us sort of a background here. So it's Dancing with Our Stars.
Meaning the instructors.
Right.
Meaning, the top dancers.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's such a thrill to be able to be on stage with a professional. And of course, the students, well, we're still learning and doing our best. But Megan here will show us, or she has shown us. I mean, she teaches not only partnership dancing, but she teaches performance dancing.
Right.
And so
yeah.
she gave us a wonderful lesson the other day for the cast, so that we can have more stage presence.
Yeah, that's a good point. So Megan, how long have you been with Lawn Dance? Because we've had a lot of guests on from there, and I don't believe I've met you before.
I would be, I suppose, a newer cast member of Lawn Dance Studios. Yes, I arrived at the beginning of last year, so just about a year and a half now.
She's from Florida.
Ah, from Florida. Yeah, all right. Whereabouts in Florida?
Orlando.
Oh, I've been there many times. Did you teach dance there, or part of a program? So what brought you out to California?
I was in pursuit of a new sort of elevated culture of dancing. California is a wonderful sort of microcosm for ballroom dancing, very popular. Some of my colleagues, the best of the best, are located over here in the greater Los Angeles and San Diego and even Orange County area. And truthfully, Lund Dance came very highly recommended to me. I was ready to make a little bit of a change, and that was the first place I decided to stop. And it was the last, actually.
Well, I'm glad you were here. So performance dancing, to me, all dance that you do in front of somebody is performance dancing, but obviously there's more to it than that, right?
Oh, it's such an art. And with Megan, she expresses, again, the Club for Creative, that's what it's all about, the creative expression. And Megan portrays, different personalities, and she's just an exquisite dancer.
Thank
one
you.
of my favorite performances was a year and a half ago, I guess, when you just came and you did the Pink Panther.
Yes.
That Pink Panther number.
Yes. Proof that I will do anything is the Pink Panther.
So if you do the Pink Panther music from the movies, right?
Yes.
Oh, that would be fun to
It
watch.
was a blast. It was a blast. It was full on pink cat suit.
Oh, yeah, the whole cat suit.
I was dressed to the nines. I was in full costume.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
It was fun.
So what are you doing this time around?
I have several numbers. I have 4 gentlemen who will be performing 2 numbers apiece, and I also have 1 couple who's going to try their hand all on their own, independently on the dance floor, doing a number on their own as well. That I helped choreograph. Actually, Jason Daly is the choreographer for this show, and so we've worked hand in hand with him to create some really special, personalized choreography for each independent studio student participating.
Well, the thing is that Megan has some students that have been with her for quite a while, and one of them has gotten, I can't recognize the man. He has transformed since he started dancing with you, and now, you should see him. He's gotten very muscular.
Yes.
And they do these lifts.
Yes.
I'm just nervous.
Everyone's so nervous for me. I'm the only one not nervous about my lifts.
Now, are you doing the lifting, or they're lifting you?
They're lifting me.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, so she's very trusting.
Yeah, I would say. So as far as the performances go, you're in this, you're doing several, and you got a few other dancers as well?
Yes.
And they're all from Lawn Dance?
Everyone's from Lawn Dance, yes, sir.
Right.
And what about the different numbers that you'll be doing as far as the type of music?
Oh, several different styles of numbers. We've got anything from cha-cha, there's some swing in there, there is a jive, there's a number that I'm doing with a gentleman that is what we call a theater arts number, what she's referring to. It's a fancy way of saying that I'm getting lifted and spun and twirled in the air, yes.
Terrifying.
So we've got a lot of different things going on. There's probably one of each style of dance being showcased in our showcase this year.
Yeah, that's a lot. Now, as far as the other performers, you're doing several numbers. Are there other people from lawn dance that doing? You told me about the couple,
Yes.
but other some of the people that I've met over the years. I forget their name.
Exactly. Well, they have the instructors,
right?
And then they perform with their students.
Okay.
You know. So,
wow.
But of course, Megan, I don't know what your position is, because she will teach, you know, other people who are not her students to perform.
Okay.
You know, the stage presence and so forth. So you're what? Top instructor?
That's very sweet. I just think that maybe I get chosen to help to lead these types of group classes, or these facilitate these kinds of experiences for people to learn, simply because it's in my comfort zone, it's in my wheelhouse to perform, and to put that little extra touch onto your performance to make it so that it's really captivating, and that you ultimately, not only your audience, but that you get the most out of your performance.
What I just said, expressive.
Absolutely.
And that's what it's all about.
It's all about the expression, and she's a master, because, you know, the nuances of dance, it's the art.
Yeah.
She's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, as far as your club goes, a lot of what you do has to do with dance. I should say movement, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, it's about expression, and just being able to put yourself out there. You know, your passion.
And that's hard for people.
It's very difficult, and yet I believe it keeps us healthy.
Yeah.
Because it's all about being really healthy and expressing your passion. So whether it's dance or reading poetry, you know, whatever your passion makes your heart sing, you should do it.
And you know what's interesting, and we certainly see this with you know, Hollywood actors, that off the screen or off the stage, they're very shy people, but they get on the performance stage and they come alive, right?
There's just something about it for some people.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's actually comforting for them. Yeah.
Right. Well, with a few lessons from Megan, you build that confidence. You really do, because I know just that one night, I felt so, oh, okay, so that's how you do it. You know, it's like you lift your hand or you hold it, you know, without being fearful. So I think it's probably, you give me permission, or you give people the permission.
That's a good point,
to express.
Right.
You know,
Absolutely.
because, again, you know, I've been dancing for a long time, but yet ballroom dancing is new to me. So I'm a bit timid on certain moves.
Well, I want to mention that this is going on again the 24th at the Performing Arts Center, and it's $10, $12, or $15 depending where you sit.
Yes,
am I right?
that's correct.
But it's you get a free ticket if you are a veteran with an ID.
Correct.
And you bring that to there. You get the $10 ticket for free.
Exactly, for
which
free.
is really nice.
Yeah, we wanted to do something special for our veterans.
Yeah, I think
And there's
that's
a
great.
lot of them here.
Yeah, there are.
Yeah.
And they're going to appreciate that. As far as lawn dance goes, you take people who've never danced before?
Absolutely. We prefer people who've never danced before.
Yeah, probably.
That's our specialty. When you say, I've got 2 left feet, I say, come on over.
Okay.
I'm the one for you.
Now, what about, obviously you do older folks. Do you do kids as
Absolutely.
well? Oh, wow,
We
you're
have,
full.
lawn dance has undoubtedly the most wide range and variety of ages and personalities and types of people I've ever met in my experience dancing so far. It's really, really refreshing to be able to walk in. There's a lot of great energy, and there's just someone of every kind there.
Right, from 7 to 97.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, very good. Hey, Megan, a pleasure meeting you.
Likewise, thank you so much.
I'm sure we'll see you again.
I look forward to it.
And of course, we'll see Renee again. And if you want to enjoy this performance, it is the 24th, which is a Sunday?
A Sunday.
A Sunday, okay.
A Sunday.
And 5:30 p.m., Performing Arts Center. They can get their tickets over there,
Yes,
right?
the box office.
Okay, and of course, if you're a veteran, come by. Now, if they go to the box office, they're aware the veteran comes by with their ID, they get a free ticket.
They do that.
Very good.
I mean, we have them all over
Good
the
to
signs.
see you.
Nice
Hey,
to
nice
see
to
you.
meet you,
Likewise.
Megan.
Thank you so
We'll
much.
see you again, and we'll be right back.